Take your time and learn about affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, numerous programs and automatic software packages are available for use. Whether you join an existing program or set up your own, do some research into your business niche to make sure you are making an appropriate decision. Follow the tips in this video to help you decide whether to join an existing program or begin your own. See how companies track outside orders when choosing an affiliate company. If orders are made by mail or phones and they cannot be linked to your ID, you'll lose a lot of your commissions. Pay attention to the cookie duration of the parent site of your affiliate marketing program. A site visitor's cookies tell the parent company that you sent them that traffic and allows you to receive that commission. If the cookies expire after a very short period of time, the parent company is likely trying to cheat you out of valuable commission dollars. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. Affiliate marketing is a great way to link your website or blog to companies that can make you money. Adding links for specific products to your site will help to not only draw you more targeted traffic, but also earn you a percentage if the people click the link and buy it. When you have a unique business model, product or service, it may be difficult to find an established affiliate marketing program suiting your business. Use the suggestions in this video in your research to determine whether to join an existing program or begin your own. If you decide to start your own, this same research can help you find suitable partners for your program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.